have one word for Shilpa, it will describe her really well, and that is wow. Because my experience with her is really amazing. Whenever I've approached her with a question, all I get was solutions, one after another, and she was never tired of listening to me. In this pandemic, I have attended many webinars and many online courses, but no one was just like her. But with Shilpa, she would listen to you and give you solutions. And those solutions were, and she'll make you act on those solutions. That's really important. I took many actions, whereas I would be lazy or procrastinating things. I'll do it. But with her, in this journey, I took actions. She's more than a counselor because she explained abstract concepts with so much of ease. Philosophical, spiritual, be it psychological, she has practical examples for each and everything. And that too with stories because stories have a great impact on us. I loved her meditation sessions. I would highly recommend Shilpa because she's just amazing.
I just attended your 5 a.m. Angel Mom program, 5-day workshop, and it was amazing. And hence I decided to go for the 6 a.m. Rise and Shine program for 33 days, and I'm so looking forward to it, to transform my life, the issues that I had or still have, and I'm trying to overcome that. You will successfully be able to instill few of the $1 million morning routines in me. So thank you so much for everything that you did and whatever you are doing. You're on a mission, and it's an amazing journey that I'm looking forward to. And I have a lot to say, but this is a short video. Anyone who wants to transform their lives, be happy, enjoy being themselves, and unleash their potential, they should come and do the session first, the 5-day workshop, and then move to Rise and Shine, and I'm sure that's going to be amazing. I'm so looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
I was a part of the 21-day workshop, which was organized by Rise and Shine 6 a.m. Club, and I have gained a lot by joining this wellness program. We have done different self-love exercises throughout this process, and it has impacted my life. I started believing on positive affirmations and inner manifestations, and I would also recommend all of you to join this club.
This program is really efficient in teaching you consistency in waking up early. In these 21 days, we learned how to set an intention for the day, asking to the universe what you want, and it gives you exactly what you want. We also learned that there's abundance all around us. We learned a new meditation each day. There were several techniques for manifestations. So what are you waiting for? I think each one of you has a desire to do something in your life, to get to some great position and to follow your inner passion. I think this 21-day journey will truly change you.
It was an awesome journey of 21 days on Rise and Shine. You were really fantastic. I learned a lot. It really added value to my life. The way you took us through meditation, through activities, through story time, everything, every detail was really informative, and I really recommend people to join Rise and Shine to have that bliss in their life, a beautiful positive change in their life. Thank you so much, Shilpa. You really rock. Thank you.
I had participated in Mrs. Shilpa Singh's the Rise and Shine 6 a.m. Club, and I found it to be a very beautiful and enthralling experience, this workshop. And now that it's over, I feel really I feel upset, but nonetheless I am taking away all the wonderful lessons and the beautiful memories from the workshop, and I will continue keeping association with Mrs. Shilpa Singh. And those who are watching the video and are wondering whether to really whether to participate in the Rise and Shine workshop, I will recommend I'll recommend this workshop big time.
Hello, I'm Jay Kumar Sabapati. There were many great takeaways from the program. However, the best in my opinion were the various meditation techniques. that she taught us. Person going through these Madam Shilpa's classes will have a life-changing experiences, and it's priceless.
But then I joined Shilpa's 6 a.m. Rise and Shine Club. And oh boy, after that, every morning I used to look forward to waking up. And I did that for 21 days with Shilpa and her beautiful group. It was so much fun, just waking up to her. It actually made a shift in my life, and I'm going to be on this path. And it's I think everybody should experience it once. It's really fantastic. And thanks Shilpa for being there for us and to showing us this, that there's a way that getting up in the morning can make so much of a difference. It gives you so much more time for yourself, which we kind of don't really bother about. But it was fantastic. So thanks Shilpa. Cheers.
I was expecting a little bit learning from the course, but honestly, it was much more than that. I enjoyed it thoroughly, and Shilpa is a real genuine person. She comes across as a real friend, and not at all animated like what I found in some of the other similar courses. And definitely I learned more than I was expecting, and therefore I've joined the next level course, that is for 30 days, and really looking forward to it. But great work Shilpa, and please keep going.